Hi guys, in this tutorial I will teach you about SQL end of MySQL Server 2008. So first, what is SQL end? SQL end links together two or more conditional statements for increased filtering when running SQL commands. First, I want you to see the subject table which has subject name English 101, English 102, subject code Eng 101, and Eng 102. And I would like to add more English 101 but in other subject code. For example, insert into subjects, then the values are English 101, then but the subject code is other one, Eng 111. Then let's say insert one row affected, so let's select all from subjects, then there it is, English 101, Eng 111. Then let's filter it where subject name is like English. Then press the F5 key, and there you go, it was filtered. So subject name English 101, subject code Eng 101, English 102, Eng 102, English 101, and Eng 111. So we will now going to use the end subject code is equal to Eng, and let's say like, let's use like again, like 111. There you go. Let's press the F5 key again. There you go. Select all from subjects or subject name like English and subject code like 111. So we meet the requirements. Subject name has English on it, then subject name English 101, then subject code like 111, and Eng has 111. So that is how to use end in MySQL Server 2008. Thank you for viewing.